I lie yard sale. After you tell me say now come back to your yard, girl. He say no want you no more. Every day you come on me and come tell me say. Alright. Well, we're gonna share him then. I'm not that me not share him. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyra. This is Bianca Entertainment, and you don't know say I have the vibes there. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Today we're gonna do a phone call prank part 2. Where you know that epic. You look for me right now. Please subscribe. You when I like me, subscribe now. It's good to have people you don't like in your life sometimes. You subscribe now. You over there, so. Well, love me for a long time. Subscribe now. Wanna subscribe yet? Everybody subscribe and come back. Let's get into the video. Right. So I'm gonna call one of Bella friend. One girl we call from in a part 1 and we can't get her. No hope she not watch part 1. So guys, we are gonna call her. She named Cassie. Only hope she not watch part 1.
Hello?
Hello. Mega want you leave my man alone, you know? What you mean by you not left him? No, girl. Anyway, I say I gonna have things because you mean by you not left him, but you're bright. Alright, come meet me under the clock, Ochi. Right now, girl. Bright. Yes, meet me under the clock and make sure you carry what you have to carry. You're going on all these things. Come here and walk with. Alright, miss, right now under the clock. But this girl is bad. Guys, I'm afraid that one is bad. She said, come meet her and watch me now go down there. I'm afraid. It's too epic. Watch the first one, you know? I feel like she watched the first one. You feel like she watched the first one? I feel like she watched the first one. Oh, she take this so.
5 minutes later.
Guys, somebody a call up. I don't know who you know because when I attend them, look like I don't know. Hello?
Hello?
Who this? Yesterday?
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't call her. Who this though? Because your number private, I can't know who. Okay. Are you a friend?
Me, okay.
You want Kim?
You know better?
You want Kim?
Hello?
Oh, you dirty girl. I'm on Cassie.
A prank, we a prank, you know. A prank, we a prank. They catch me back.
I told me to say Bella, that's a pussy they miss.
Yeah, I know, but you get one miss call yesterday. I'm on camera around it then now we not prank, we did a prank, you know.
Ashanti, that box though, Ashanti.
Yeah? Hello?
Cassie, if me ne say no, kill. Cassie, if me ne say for the no Bella, you find out who today. Amigo Etira. Cassie, you get pranked though, love you.
When I'm a group friend with it in a Pananak. Hello? Miss Blings or Blongs or Blong or where you want name. Hello? She not talk, she dumb.
Yes.
My girl, you know, so I don't want you leave my man alone though. Every time if they want my your number, I say I call him. Who you? She hang up.
She says she guilty or something.
She guilty. Blings, you're guilty or something. Blings. I'll call one of my next friend and tell her I say, hello my man. My girl, I don't want you to leave my man alone, you know.
We have to share, baby.
No, we not have to, girl, we not have to share. You make me cuss bad word. I want you to leave my man alone. That's what I want me to tell you.
Son, come here, son.
What you say?
Baby girl, you spread the bed. Me sleep on the bed, you want to sleep.
You stinking, girl. Hey, girl, where you live? Where you live?
You cook the food, me everything. You take it fuck and me get the money.
You're mad. Me have a pie's name. What the song name? What the new song name?
Me get the friends and give me name upon the wheel.
You're mad. Me I kill you too. Me not kill him alone. I two on me I kill.
Oh, you have a prize, oh, my girl. I don't want to know you have a prize. I want to eat all cook with them from people. If God cook with eat.
Hold on there. How much I know? How much I know take this here, man?
All of you same, baby.
Because it look like say 2 I know. I may have to go beat 2 I know one time.
Stay here.
No, me not bother want the man. If me have to go beat 2 I know one time, me not bother want him. Me not have so much energy. Take him. No, sir, I'm afraid now. Me hang up. No, them girl are too bad.
Clock.
Me not call nobody else. Me I go get my ass boss. Me I work for something.
One more.
Alright guys, me I call one of my next contact. She work a buyer.
Hello?
Hello, how would it? Sashela?
Yeah.
Hey, housekeeper girl, me I want you left my man alone, you know.
Only.
What you mean by your this? You see a man where you take a fee, woman.
Which one, that?
The same one where you take, you don't know who you take every day. I see in number in your phone and you call him and I send me a text. Girl, you know who me?
No.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, well, me gonna make you know who me because I know say I don't have here your work.
No.
Look out for me, don't I get anytime now. Anytime soon. Any day now.
Okay.
Alright. Calm. I say, okay. She no bad. She no bad at that. Guys, I want my friend contact this.
Yeah.
I Ingrid this?
Yeah.
I gonna want you to leave my man alone here.
If no want to go,
I want you to leave Bunny alone.
me to leave who alone?
Your man, the man where you're there with, Bunny. Every time.
Son of your one, you keep him, don't call me damn phone.
6.5 hours later.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yes?
Yes?
This number just called me a while ago. Send me check them, man. Me need to know which one to take.
The same one where you're there, girl.
Wait the one here. Wait the person here.
Girl, you got prank. But your friend give me a contact and said I could prank you.
Which friend?
Debbie, your co-worker.
Tell them to say not to rap me.
Alright guys, I call one of my friend contact. No, one of my friend's sister. She named Sister. So we are gonna call her now. Guys, Bella give me mango. Oh, Ratty. Ratty give me mango. No, Ratty. I'm going to meet all of my friends, guys. Hold on. Ratty mango drop, guys. Me should have video that. She not answer. Guys, we'll call her back. Because she not answer her phone after she take my man. You know what I'm saying? Hello?
Hello?
My sister this?
What?
My sister this?
Yes.
Look here, I don't want you to leave Gregor alone.
When?
What you mean by when? I want you to leave Gregor alone, you give him one pitney and I breed for him now and I want to leave him.
That's not something with me. I didn't not stop fucking him, not stop fucking.
Well, me go...
You would have fooled me.
Where you live?
Darling.
Where you live? Where you live? Give me your address.
Really? Fuck me, old kid.
All scheme? Which part of all scheme, girl? Give me a lot. Good is she not left him. Me not left him neither, mama. Not left your man. Bright. But me if you come above me and make you beat me, you mad. You think me I idiot? Me if you come above me, fishy beat up me. Me I'm not idiot.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so the girl with name sister send me one long old text about the man who I call her about, right? So you know, say sister, you got prank. Me I go read the text where you sent to me. So the man can see it too. I can't understand why I don't always argue over Gregor. And the whole way I get the dick raw. Lol, this sign baby is not a girl problem. I'm okay. My one son can't go to private school. And my baby, I got 2 now go work. Pitting an old one again. And so all honesty, me nah stop him. She nah stop the boy. Me willing to share him. Cause him too good and the boy have a buzz. And you know too. That I mean know too, you know, me. Prank, she a prank, me prank her, you know. She said I'm a know too. DWL. How the fuck me feel left him, girl? No, right now, I love the boy like how I love myself. Girl, you got prank! Make sure you watch that video and subscribe. And you show your boyfriend the video, your friend them, and all of your friend them, and show them so you get prank. Okay? Because if you don't, Debbie will. Okay? Guys, we're going to prank with hairdresser named Shelly. Yeah, it kind of add to, you know. Hello? Hello? May I want you leave my man alone, you know, miss? What do you mean by who is this? The girl where you take her man? The girl where you take her man, may I want you leave my man alone? The same girl where you send your picture to her man every minute, every night, and you me see her text him, girl.
Hey, girl, go fuck your mother.
We are guys, that too epic. We are never Me tell us your head ad. Where you say, girl? How you going like your bad, so?
Huh?
You feel like you're bad? What you mean by when me there watching me there? Where you there? Come on, lick in your face, in a girl. Right upon? Are we? Some more that wanna me I come fight. So that's why you're going like. And that's why you're going like your. And that's why you're going like your bad cause I whole heap of uno. What you say? Girl, I chew a whole heap of uno, I couldn't go like uno so bad. And that's why I not come down there, because a whole heap of uno. So how much I want to sir? How much I want to sir? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I go buck you one away. Because I know you know. Yes, and make sure so you don't have no guns them pack up there. Because I'm me alone I come, I'm bad. You know you call me name? You know you say who this, a Tira this?
Who's that?
Shelly! Me don't know. Guys, she called me name. Hold on. is too nice. Who called she for the whole day? Her head at. I'm an hairdresser. Hello? Hello? Girl, I want him to tell you. Just leave my man alone. I mean, no whole heap of talking with you and your whole heap of sister them. You don't see me a prank you? Who this? Prank me a prank on the girl. Hello, look out. Look out for the video. Yo! Me say, when I head out, me have to hang up, I'm afraid. So are you tell them, are you usually tell them, say me? Who recognize my voice? Yeah, you watch my channel, girl. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. So me I call one a Bella friend. Turn out to something. They up on the antenne. Come on, answer the phone, answer the phone. Hello? 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 Hey baby, what's up? You alright?
Yeah.
Where are you? Cause I come look for you today now. Are your girlfriend, your new girlfriend, will you meet what day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which part of watch you there? Yeah. I'm up a Falkland now. Up there say did say you live?
Yeah.
I'm up there, so when you come up here, you just come link me. I got the right at the Jamaica shop here. Yeah. I come to look for you, so I come surprise you, but when I ask everybody for you, then say you're not there here. Yeah. Better if you meet you back down at Ochi?
Yeah.
Which part of Ochi you there? Which part in your market? Yeah, me soon come. That one they get drunk. So guys, now I call my added cousin named Kedish. Anybody know my cousin named Kedish? No saying head at. So I call him now. Hello. That's something I call if I tell you. You don't know some see a man down a bus park with one woman and suck her tongue. For your man. Yes, I suck her tongue with you. Just a while ago, girl. Me just a come from down there.
I am on the bus going down there. I want the blood clot,
Me see him down there. I mean, I make him see me. No come and no, so me I come up and tell him me hide him back a 2 car. Yeah, almost there.
5 minutes later.
No, make it police. Jesus Christ, you really got nothing to fight?
So I'm To beat the man and the girl.
But me never know say reach up.
Class.
Me never know say reach up far. Me,
Eh.
I prank me did a prank you.
Oh. See?
Huh?
Me I go back station. Police are come.
Jesus Christ. No, make them catch you. No, make them catch you.
I run, and I am about.
I need to stop the pranks up me here. To get serious. Cause my prank them a go bad from what year. Hold on there. Me not hear what you say. What you say?
Me say, no book up on and the policeman, so me get self-bail. Me let me go eat at them over there and complain. Without the police, them send them gone and doctor.
Jesus Christ, I do it for true, Kadish.
Me say, I know me glad say. I know me glad say me the devil and policeman. I know I'm more life, God.
Yeah, I gotta see you go swim.
Yes! Because,
Yeah, wash off the salt, man.
me says, the policeman find one soldier in God.
So hold on there.
And I find one man and bus back and took out them. But they could see the policeman bail me.
So what?
Very good.
So hold on there, Kadish. Me a prank you about somebody actually happen for real.
Now me beat them.
But a prank, me did a prank you.
Yeah, me no business.
Kadish, you mad, you know? Boy, me can't, but I prank me did a prank you. So you're gonna never see them with woman for true? How what this, yeah? I prank me did that. Okay, it's too sweet. Guys, make sure you subscribe to that channel, yeah. Send no friend over here. Send no other friend and no friend and no friend and no sister and no brother to come subscribe. Yo. Where you watch right now, wanna subscribe yet? Subscribe right now, like and share. Leave a comment. When you see my cousin mad? Like seriously. Me not even know who to call, but no, this too epic.
Hey, Bianca Entertainment, big up on the damn himself. Wherever you all are stars.
Yes. You don't know say Bianca Entertainment, like, subscribe and share. You don't know say you notification bell so you can get notified.
No man, it's simple man. Please like, subscribe and share. Comment too. We like you too. Nee.